Yeah, so ready?
Yeah, I didn't see that there.
You ready too?
Woo!
How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna be an amazing experience.
Yeah, it should be good.
Perfect weather. Sunny day in Coffs Harbour.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we
So is he travelling?
Yeah.
Traveling.
Around the world.
Oh wow!
And this is Kirk. He's English.
He's an English boy.
Staying right
Yeah.
here. I was in New Zealand for a couple of years and then
Oh.
came to Australia for
He talks funny.
You know, he talks funny.
Yeah.
you
I
all
noticed
talk.
that. I noticed he did too.
Yeah.
He's just learning.
So you love me?
Film him back. Let's do it.
What do you want her?
Okay.
Yeah, he's
Well, it's midnight, damn right, we're wound up too tight. I got a fist full of whiskey, the bottle just bit me. Oh, that shit makes me batshit crazy. We got no fear, no doubt.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
6,000 feet.
Oh, really?
It's not enough.
Not enough.
More.
I want
Let's go
more.
up in the sky. Up in the sky, mate. She wants more. 6,000 feet is not enough. Not enough. Let's go up. More. Let's go up. Woo!
Let's go up, Mama. I can pick her.
Oh, we got no class, no taste, no shirt and shit faced. We got lined up, shot down, firing back, straight crowd. We're going up tonight to kick out every light, take anything we want, drink everything inside. We're going till the world stops turning while we burn it to the ground at night.
Like this. Was amazing.
Amazing. Wow.
Beautiful place to do skydiving.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. I've got an adrenaline rush at the moment. So fun.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it. Loved it.
So it's gonna be not your last time.
Definitely
Just
not.
the first one.
First time.
Lights go out and I can't be saved. Tides that I try